Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, FL Ali. How are you guys? I do hope you're doing fine. Everyone around the world.
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we show.
For today's video guys, I am going to share with you. I have here my pasalubong. It's a 24-hour hydration moisture. Labelio. The brand of this is Labelio. Original care. Hashtag be you. And guys. ASMR tayo guys. ASMR. Thanks po sa nagbigay sa akin ito. Thank you so much team. Thank you. Hindi po tayo naglagay ng any color. Any color. Guys. "24-hour hydration moisture." Yeah. Hydration moisture. By Kiss Edition. For all types of lips and kisses. This is to avoid dry lips. If you're traveling to cold places, so this is the right lip moisture, 24-hour hydration moisture, and patient. Yeah. Siguro nakadesign siya ng Pride Month. Like lip balm. Something parang ganun po siya. So soft. And nakalagay po siya dito, made in Germany. Kidding. Thank you so much for this pasalubong, team. Thank you. I like it. Diba? Ayan. Thank you so much, team, for this pasalubong. 24-hour hydration moisture by Labelio. I don't know if I pronounce it well. That is Labelio. Thank you at naalala mo po ako na bigyan ng pasalubong as you travel. Thank you so much once again, team, my friend team. Thank you. A 24-hour hydration moisture. Made in Germany. Thank you so much. I like it. Look at that. Smile. Thank you so much. That will be all for today, guys. Just sharing with you my pasalubong with my friend, Team. Thank you so much po, and yun lang po. Every time, I just story time, I just wanna share with you guys. Every time I have a pasalubong, a gift, or just small things or big things, I make sure that I want to like express or send my big thanks to those people na nagbibigay po sa akin. Ganun po talaga ako, guys. Very thankful po ako because hindi ko po kayo masyadong kilala pa ng lubos or whatever, kahit na nakakausap ko lang or kahit po nami-meet ko lang or whatever. Pero I don't know, siguro being friendly siguro is natutuwa sila sa akin. Like, I don't know if I'm talkative, but I just want to be friendly to anybody else. That there's limitation. And thanks to those people na nagbibigay po ng attention sa akin, all I need is just attention, guys. Yun po yung kailangan ko na wala. And it is a big help to my health, attention. But meron po kayong issues sa mental health, you need somebody who can talk to, who can lean on whenever you're not okay. Nandiyan po sila sa tabi mo. Will listen to your story, will comfort you, will mingle with you, nakikipag-usap po sa inyo. Kahit na when you cry, when you laugh, when you're sad, they are just there for you to listen to your story. And minimal po yung tao na gano'n na nakakaintindi, who are truly, sincere to you, who are willing to listen the story po kung ano po yung nararamdaman mo. And I am so choosy, guys, to like tell my story. And thanks them. I will thank them kasi they always listen. They always sit down and listen to me. Whether it's on and off cam, nandyan lang po sila. Po sila nawawala. Nakikita mo o hindi, but in their hearts, sa kanilang mga puso, and I'm very thankful as well na meron pong mga tao who send their love, their support, their gifts, their pasalubong and all. Whether it's food, things, or ano man yan, they are just there for you. And I am so thankful for that kasi ganun po yung treatment nila sa sino ba naman ako, diba? Pero if you are so friendly, guys, and you are willing also to listen to them, you will gain friends. Diba? You will gain friends. Whether you cry, you laugh, you're sad, whether you are into like struggle, if you're facing the hardest problem in your life, feeling your ups and downs in your life, ganyan lang po sila sa iyo. And willing to listen to your story. And thank you to all my friends who trusted me. Salamat po sa Salamat po for listening. Thank you po. And thank you. Thank you sa inyong lahat. And I would like to thank, of course, Team LC family, to our lovely admin Lacoteran Cosinera, to the co-admins, Smiling Face Channel, Chef Sire, and to my lovely Sisi Koy at Miss Vlad, and to all the teams who support me, and to all my teammates. Hindi ko po nabanggit, pasensya na po. Maraming salamat sa walang sawa niyo pong suporta sa isa't isa. Whether we meet or not, we talk, andyan man sa live stream or not, sa video or wala, you are just there. Alam ko, ganun ka-solid ang Tinasi, guys. Thank you so much for everyone, for the love and support. To our OFWs, to our foreign friends around the world, not just local guys, but around the world. Maraming salamat po. And to all my channel members, kahit na hindi pa ako nakakasupport sa inyo, maraming salamat. And nandiyan lang po ako sa tabi. I am on the healing process. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, sa walang sawang suporta niyo po sa YouTube channel, sa aking maliit na channel dito. Maraming salamat po. Yan. Basta I would like to thank my friend Tim for this pasalubong. Maraming salamat. Love guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Ethel Alvera. Thank you so much, guys. God bless you all. Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button for you to get updated on the next video. Stay well and keep glowing. Ethel Alvera here is signing off.